Hey, Jeremy Friedland here with Sassy Essentials, and today on our DIY, I'm going to teach you how to make a sleepy time pillow spray, either for you or for your little kiddo. They're having a hard time sleeping, so this works for adults or children. So first of all, what you're going to want is you're going to want some sort of spray bottle, okay? You can hear Amelia in the background climbing on our kitchen table. And so we sell these spray bottles on our website. These are 10-ounce spray bottles. 8 to 10 ounce spray bottles. You can get these on our website. They're black and white. But you want at least a 4 to 5 ounce spray bottle for that. So what you're going to do is you're going to get 2 ounces of distilled water, okay? And you're going to put that into the bottle. And then what you want to do is you want to get 2 ounces of either witch hazel. You can also use alcohol if you want, but we prefer to use witch hazel in this house. So then you just take 2 ounces of the witch hazel. Okay, and it's even amounts of witch hazel and water on there. All right, and then you just dump that in there as well. And then for the oils, you can use lavender oil. So use 5 drops of lavender oil. All right, there you go. And then we're also going to use the cedarwood oil as well. So 5 drops of cedarwood, which comes a little bit slower because it's a little bit of a thicker oil. But once it gets rocking and rolling, you can do that. So just 5 drops of that as well. Slowly coming. All right, so there's 5 drops, there's 6. And then we're gonna use copaiba in this one as well. Copaiba is good for removing anxiety and calming the nerves and stuff like that. But you could use frankincense, you could use vetiver as well. I was going to use vetiver, but it takes like 3 hours for a drop of vetiver to come out, so I didn't want to hold you up for that long. So we're going to use cedarwood on that one, and then what you're going to do is you just spray it on, okay? And then when it's time to go to bed for your kiddos, you can just either spray this onto their mattress, if they're a little kid, like a toddler still sleeping in the crib, or if it's a pillow spray, you can spray it on their pillow, but you just spray the deal, and it mists right onto their pillow or onto your pillow, and you can get a really great night's sleep with that. So hopefully you enjoyed this DIY, even with the background of the kiddo in there. So make sure to grab your own. You can find these oils on our website as well as the sprayers. Just go to the store and grab some witch hazel, and you can grab the vetiver or cedarwood, lavender, and copaiba on our website. So thanks again for watching this DIY, and hopefully it works great for you.